Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Inexpensive ways to clean your toilet. First of all, there are several natural ingredients you can use to formulate a homemade toilet bowl cleaner. Also, making your own allows you the freedom to use whichever ingredients you feel are safest for your family. Finally, the ingredients are readily available and very effective. White vinegar. You're probably bored of hearing all the hype on green living websites about how wonderful vinegar is for natural cleaning. But I can't stop singing its praises. Vinegar is a mild acid. It disinfects, eliminates odors, and is extremely safe. Borax. Contrary to inaccurate information on some websites, borax is not the same thing as boric acid, which is toxic. It is actually sodium tetraborate, and is only as toxic as regular table salt or baking soda, in very large amounts. Borax is a great multi-purpose cleaner that whitens, deodorizes, and removes stains. Lemon juice or citric acid. Citric acid, also found in lemon juice, binds to minerals in the toilet bowl, making them easier to eliminate. It may help diminish tough toilet stains left by hard water. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Essential oils. Pure essential oils are some of the best secret weapons to use in deep cleaners. Many of these plant-based oils boast antibacterial, antiviral, and even antifungal properties. Tea tree oil has been studied more than any other essential oil and has been found to kill most forms of bacteria when added to cleaners at a 0.5% to 1.0% concentration. Other essential oils that possess antibacterial properties and are beneficial in bathroom cleaners are lavender, citrus oils, peppermint, rosemary, and eucalyptus, among others. Baking soda. Baking soda is wonderful as a homemade toilet bowl cleaner. Specifically, it scours and deodorizes a toilet bowl naturally. It's worth noting that it doesn't possess any germ-fighting benefits. However, it will help keep your bowl free of debris, stains, and those ugly rings. Take your pick from these natural, homemade toilet bowl cleaner recipes that we use and love. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out brilliant ways to clean your refrigerator naturally. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with EcoBravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.